I want to appeal to Yoruba leaders that let us be working on success. The message is very important than the messengers. What we are discussing here is what that affects every living soul in Yorubaland, both in Nigeria and diaspora. The issue of insecurity. And the second, the issue of economy. Agriculture, even in the 60s, we are the leading cocoa producer in the whole world. Africans have taken it over from us, Ghana have taken it over from us, and most of our cocoa plantations have died. Cola, coffee, and at the same time, we are losing touch to the potential of agriculture we have. Now the insecurity is coming. There is a threat to our farmers, threat of life to our farmers. They are being intimidated. We are living in fear and sorrow within our nation. So this conference is very, very important. Anyone that engages this conference is not the friend of Yorubaland. It's an enemy of Yorubaland. And I know most of our leaders did not against it. One of the reasons we could have more attendees of the conference is because of this COVID. It's only we that were ready to lay our life because of a Yoruba nation that sacrificed to be in this conference today. So it will be a continuous engagement. We continue to have a conference, meetings, brainstorming, and strategize how we can attain peace in our region. We will complement the effort of our governors. Our governors, I met the governor of Ekiti State yesterday. From our interaction for 45 minutes in the closed-door meeting, I realized that the Southwest governors are doing their own. But most of the things they are doing, they never publicize it. The little you heard is from the governor of Ondo State, who is the chairman of the Southwest, that communicates it. And the governor of Ekiti State told me that if they take the decision, they will ask the chairman of the Southwest governor to communicate to the public. Don't think it's only Ondo State that believe in what is doing. All of us support it. I was free, I was relieved after the meeting. And the meeting of today now shows the determination, because we continue to preach unity. We continue to preach love within the Yorubaland. And we continue to preach harmony. And we continue to preach cohesion and understanding. And I will appeal to our royal fathers. This time around, a conference of this magnitude is very, very important to them. Because if you are not with this kind of conference, that means you are not looking for safety in your domain. It's very, very important, and it's very imperative. So most of their interest should not be on partisan issue. It's about working in modality so that we can have peace in every domain in Yorubaland.